Hi, I'm Tatiana Thompson here at Bird Care. Let me show you how to change the spring in the Squirrel Buster Plus spring assembly. First, we'll start by placing your finger over the threaded white rod like this. Once you have that in place, start turning the white rod counterclockwise. When you feel that the red nut is touching your finger, be very careful to remove it, because the spring will jump out suddenly, just like this. Place the new spring inside the transparent cartridge. And then carefully place the red nut back and start turning the white rod clockwise. And here you are, all set.